Hi, everyone. Welcome to my story. Today, I want to tell you something crazy. Something I never thought would happen. Yes, it's true. I became a rich man's wife for one day. Just one day. But it changed everything. So sit back, grab a drink, get comfortable. Because this story is about love, money, dreams, and the truth about living someone else's life. Just for a little while. My name is Lily. I live in a small city. I work at a coffee shop. Every morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I take the bus. I make coffee for people. I smile. I talk. I work hard. But I don't make much money. I live in a small room. I eat simple food. Rice, noodles, eggs. No meat, not often. Sometimes I dream about a big life. A life with soft beds, clean clothes, good food, shiny cars. But I say to myself, no, Lily, that life is not for you. Still, I dream. One evening after work, I sit on my bed. I check my phone. One new message. It's from a man, a rich man. I don't know him, but his name is Mr. Raymond. He writes, "Hello, Lily. I saw your photo on a friend's page. I think you look kind. I have a strange request. Would you be my wife for one day? I will pay you. You don't have to do anything bad. Just wear nice clothes, smile, walk with me. It's for a family event." I laughed. What? A wife for one day? Is this a joke? But he writes again. I'm serious. I will explain more. We can meet in a public place. You will be safe. I promise. I don't know why, but I say okay. Maybe it's crazy, maybe it's a chance. We meet at a cafe. He is tall, clean, rich looking. Nice suit, expensive watch. His driver waits outside. He gives me a smile. Thank you for meeting me, he says. I need you just for one day. My parents think I'm married, but I'm not. I lied. Now they come to visit. I need someone to pretend to be my wife. Just for one day. I will pay you very well. I ask him how much. He says $5,000 for one day. My eyes grow big. 5,000? That's more than I make in 3 months. I say yes. We shake hands. Tomorrow, I will be his wife. Next morning, a black car comes. A woman brings me clothes. A white dress. High heels. A diamond necklace. She does my hair. She does my makeup. I look in the mirror. I don't know this woman. She looks rich. She looks powerful, but she is me. I feel nervous. I feel excited. The driver takes me to a big house. Very big, like in movies. Mr. Raymond is waiting. He looks at me and smiles. You look beautiful, he says. Ready to be Mrs. Raymond? I laugh. Yes, let's do this. We walk hand in hand. His parents are happy to see me. His mother hugs me. His father shakes my hand. We eat breakfast in a big dining room. We talk. We laugh. I pretend to be a loving wife. He pretends to be a happy husband. But sometimes I feel it's real. The day is full of surprises. We go shopping. He buys me a purse. We ride in a helicopter. We eat in a tall hotel. The food is small, but beautiful. We take pictures. He tells people I'm his wife. I smile. I wave. I play the part. But inside, I wonder, could this life ever be real? That night, we sit on a balcony. He gives me tea. I ask him, why are you not married? You are rich. You are handsome. He smiles. Because most people want my money, not my heart, he says. But you You were different. You were kind even before the money. I don't know what to say. My heart is soft, but I remember this is just one day. Next morning, I wake up, the dress is gone. My old clothes are back. A small bag waits for me with $5,000 inside. He walks me to the door. "Thank you, Lily," he says. "You helped me more than you know." I say goodbye, but my eyes are wet. I go back to my small room. I sit on my bed. I take off my shoes and I cry. One day passed, but it changed me. Now I know how the rich live, but I also know they feel lonely too. Money is nice, but being seen, being loved is more important. I use the money to pay bills, fix my roof, buy a new phone, start a small online shop. And sometimes I look at my pictures, me in that dress with that man, and I smile. One evening, my phone rings. It's him. "Mr. Raymond," he writes. "Lily, my parents want to see you again." And this time, I don't want to lie. My heart beats fast. Is this the end? Or is it a new beginning? I don't know, but I smile. Thank you for listening to my story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, even one day can change your life.